So, ito po yung coach na introduce ko. He just conduct a training last night and eventually in the morning, someone from Japan, kasama natin na OFW, message me. Pinakita niya sa akin yung resulta na shinare niya sa na-attend niya ng webinar kahapon. So, yun po, we have a special speaker for tonight. Siya po your trainer, certified trainer and certified coach po natin sa community, Kabayan trading community and Pinoy trading community. And tonight po, he will be talking about the introduction in forex trading and cheat codes. So siya na lang siguro yung mag-introduce sa set niya formally, but this guy is also former OFW na nag-for good na sa Pilipinas. And he's now into business, and isa sa mga business na ngayon, ito yung forex trading. So guys, let me welcome. I'm so excited to introduce to you our very own coach in Kabayan Traders community, one of the best trader that we have. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Coach Nonoy or Coach Uncle Nonoy.
Thank you very much, Coach. Thank you very much, Coach Nars. Naririnig ba ako, Coach? Naririnig ba ako? Please type 1. So, yung audio ko, okay ba? Naririnig ba ako? Check 1 million, check 2 million, check 3 million. Okay, from Alan D. Alan T. Salamat. Okay. Coach, medyo, as of the moment, medyo kinabahan ako ngayon. This is my first time na kinabahan ako nag-webinar. For reasons that, mayroon tayong kasama dito na tiningnan ko yung may Eddie Garcia tayo dito na kasama. Buhay pa pala si Eddie Garcia. Eddie Garcia. Lord, Diyos ko, Lord. Oh, Eddie, nandito si Eddie Garcia. Hindi naman to. Kaway-kaway naman dyan, Eddie Garcia. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Kaway-kaway. Okay. So, good evening sa mga kababayan natin sa Luzon. Magandang gabi sa mga kababayan. Eddie Garcia, Sir. Pakita naman, Sir. Oh, ayan, Eddie Garcia. Sir, mag-enroll ka, Sir. Ako magtuturo sa iyo, Sir. Sige, Sir. Whew. Lord, I'm so excited sa mga kababayan natin sa Luzon. Magandang gabi sa kababayan natin sa Visayas at Mindanao. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan sa atong mga igsoon nga Muslim. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, world. Good evening, Philippines. And good evening, Cagayan de Oro City. So, let me start my presentation. Salamat again, Coach. Nakikita ba yung presentation ko? Nakikita ba?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay, I will share my screen. Share screen. Share, all right. PowerPoint. Wait a minute. Hindi ko ma-share screen, Coach. All right. Yan, nakikita na ba?
Yan.
Are you seeing? Okay, all right. Okay. Excited ako, Coach, kasi every time nandito si Maria Cristita, parang pangalawang buwan na to niya na Ma'am Lynn, Maria Cristita Constantino, you're from Russia. Okay, no? Grabe, ma'am, parang pangalawang buwan mo na to, ma'am. Lagi kitang nakikita, naglilinis, ma'am. Pwede bang ka, ma'am? Parang kung sa Bisaya pa, ma'am, pahuway sa ma'am ba? Pahuway. Relax mo na. Okay. Andito si Eddie Garcia, ma'am. Makikita mo si Eddie Garcia. Buhay na buhay pala si Eddie Garcia. Oh, Diyos ko, Lord Diyos. Okay. Let me start my presentation. Okay, guys. Here we go. Okay. Mga kapatid, mga kababayan, mga kabaro, welcome to Forex Introduction and Cheat Codes. I would like to tap yourself and please congratulate yourselves kasi I think you are 29 here participants. And dito, many are called but few are chosen. Marami tong nagbigay, maraming nagre-reply sa amin pero hindi lahat ang dumating dito para mag-attend sa webinar. So let me first introduce to you myself. I am Noel Nonoy Hirong. I am 52 years old. I am from Del Monte, Manolo Fortich, Bukidnon, where you can see the ocean of pineapple of Del Monte, Philippines. I graduated my business management at Xavier University. I also graduated my Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. I am a nautical graduate. And I have 20 years in experience in sales and marketing. I came from book selling, then I went to Smart Communications as a manager, and then I also came from Dito Telecommunity, no? And I'm also a proprietor, owner of Chixel Motors, dealers and makers of multi-cabs, yung mga minivan, mga mini pickup, ilagay mo sa likod na when I grow up, I want to be a Raptor, parang ganon. So I am one of the officers of the fraternity Orders of Philippine Eagles. So sa mga kuya, sa mga bunso, sa mga ate, mabuhay ang agila. No, I am also one of the coaches of the Kabayan Trading Community, Bisaya Trading Community, which was founded by Coach Nars, and of course, Pinoy Trading Community. I have also have my political career. I was the first provincial federation president of the Sangguniang Kabataan. And I was a provincial board member representing Sangguniang Kabataan in Bukidnon. And of course, I'm also a kabaro. I am a former cruise ship crew, MV Crystal Harmony of NYK Philippines. So let me start. This is my family. Actually, this is my family. The reason why I joined this economy, this community, because, you know, if as you can see, tatlo lang kami, as you can see, this is my wife and this is my kid. My kid is a very special child. She has a Down syndrome. In layman's term, yung anak ko is Mongoloid, no? My wife is in America right now. This is in New York. This one is in New York. This one is in New York. The reason why I joined economy because I want to bring my wife back home. She's serving, parang kayo din, yung iba yung nag-aalaga sa isang pamilya doon sa ibang bansa. My wife is attending a Korean family, but sad to say, she's not here to attend our very special child, si Chloe. Ang ano dito si Chloe is I am taking care of Chloe, lahat-lahat. Of course, with her yaya na tumutulong din sa amin. So I wanted to gain more financial stability para maibalik ko siya. Hindi na siya nagnanani doon, hindi na siya nag-housekeeping doon. She's also driving in New York as a driver sa maghatid sa school. No, I wanted to bring her back. She went home last June to celebrate the birthday of our daughter. So this is why the reason I joined economy. Now, this is my business actually. Itong ganito, yung mga multi-cabs ganito. This is my releases ganito. So kung yung gustong bumili ng ganito, you can contact me. You can this is one of my business. And this is the awarding ceremony where I was awarded as a contributor of our the Fraternity Orders of Philippine Eagles. This is our Vice Governor in Bukidnon. And to continue, dito po, disclaimer lang po sa lahat. Disclaimer lang po. Disclaimer. We do not accept investment here in economy. Guys, unahan ko na kayo. Kasi four indications na scam yan is number one, they accept investment. That's number one. Number two, hindi ikaw ang mag-open ng account mo. Ibibigay mo lang pera. Okay, sa kanila. Number three is that sila mismo ang mag-withdraw para sa'yo. Bibigyan ka lang ng pera. Number four is that sasabihin sa iyo na in 1 month or 2 months, saka mo na makuha ang pera mo. Those are the things na pag may maengkwentro kayong ganyan, ano yan, scam yan. So disclaimer, dito sa atin, dito sa economy, wala pong ganyan. Wala pong investment dito. Walang mangyayari na sila yung mag-open ng account. Ikaw mismo ang mag-open ng account. Ikaw mismo ang mag-withdraw ng money mo. So ibig sabihin, right there, right then, pwedeng makuha ang pera mo. Okay? So, I want to assure you, walang investment dito. So, sa webinar na ito, dalawa ang pag-uusapan natin. Yung sa Basic Forex at sa si Cheat Codes. Okay? Okay, basic Forex at sa cheat codes. So, let's go to part number 1. Is Forex risky or is Forex rewarding? Yun ang tanong. Is Forex risky or is Forex rewarding? Now, other would say Forex is risky. Other would say Forex is rewarding. Now, I want you to type if risky ba talaga or rewarding si Forex. Who said it's risky? Please type 1 if it's risky. And please type 2 if it's not if it's rewarding. Okay? Si Aman Telon, si Coach Nars, it's 2. Wow, opo. Si Eddie Garcia, gusto kong sumagot si Bebsi Gutierrez, ay Alvin Kagiwa. Oh, both, Joseph. Alvin Kagiwa, kaano-ano mo si yung Kagiwa na basketball player? Fernando Vizon, 1 and 2. Yes, you're right. Yes, you're right. Guys, ganito. Forex is risky if you don't know about Forex. But actually, Forex is a very, very rewarding, very rewarding business. Forex just like learning how to ride a bike. If you don't know how to ride the bike first, ako nagbabike. If you can see, kahit yung ano ko, yung wall clock ko bike, I'm a fanatic of biking, no? Kahit ganito ko kalaki, but I love biking. Kung hindi mo alam ang pagbabike, just like starting to ride a bike, risky talaga yan. Madadapa yung anak mo, madadapa ka. But pag alam mo na, marunong ka na magbike, you can see the beauty of your surroundings. So that's why it is very risky for the first time if you don't want, kung hindi mo siya aralin, risky talaga siya. But kung aralin mo siya, it's a very rewarding business of which we will divulge to you later. Bakit rewarding si Forex? Now, what is Forex, by the way? What is Forex? Forex is basically a buy and sell of currency. It's basically bibili ka at saka magbebenta ka. Okay? It's the largest financial market in the world. Just imagine, ilang bansa ang nagfo-forex, ilang bansa ang nagbabay and sell ng currency. Galing ka ng Amerika, like for example, si Ma'am Christitina, is from Russia. Pupunta siya ng Pilipinas. Yung pera niya na Russian money, i-convert niya into Philippine peso. That's Forex. 'Di ba? Galing ka mayroon kang tawag nito. Mayroon kang dollar, i-exchange mo. That's Forex. So guys, basically, this Forex is just mayroon ka ng produkto which is your money. Mayroon ka ng ibibenta. Mayroon na ring bibili sa'yo. So, just buy and sell ng currency. Now, it's actually 7 trillion of dollars are traded every day. Recently, guys, it's 7.5 trillion dollars. Just imagine, 7.5 or 6.7 trillion dollars. That's trillion. Ang laki ng exchange ng money, buy and sell, whole world. So let's be part of this community. Let's be part of this business. It's a global, meaning to say, lahat, marami, it's global. Once 2 or 3 country is involved, that's global. And then it's the most liquid business in the world. Bakit kamo? You can withdraw your money anytime, anywhere. And it operates 24/7. Meaning to say, 24/5 lang kasi ang Forex is Monday to Friday lang. Saturday, Sunday, wala po. Pero nandyan si Bitcoin at saka si crypto. And it's available. Yung sinabi ni Coach Nars kanina, on your smartphone or devices. Okay? You can trade here. You can trade anywhere. And even the banks, the government, central banks, financial institutions are involved in Forex. Even our banks here, Metrobank, BDO, BPI, they are involved in Forex. Okay. Why Forex? Because Forex is a digital business. Guys, I came from Smart Communications. as a territory manager for merchandising. I came from D2 Telecommunity. I just resigned 2022 from D2 as area cluster manager for sales. It's all about digital. Haven't you noticed, guys? Haven't you noticed? Wala nang load na dito sa Pilipinas. Wala nang load dito. Haven't you noticed that? It's because GCash, Paymaya, digital na tanan. Digital na lahat. E-commerce. E-commerce is digitalization. That's why this Forex is a digital business. Diba? Tama? Okay. I have read an article that the two most career or job that is very profitable starting 2025 and beyond is sales and digital business. Sales is basically the background of every business. Sales is basically the backbone of every business. Okay? So, digital business. Ito, pinasok na natin. Digital business. That's the top two high generating income job or profession or business starting 2025 and above. Flexible lifestyle. Bakit ka mo flexible lifestyle? Because you can trade anywhere. Ako, nagtitrade ako while getting my child. Habang my kid, ihatid ko siya ng 8 o'clock. Before 8 o'clock, pasok na siya. Lalabas siya 10 o'clock, 10:30. 10 o'clock, nasa school na ako. While naghihintay sa kanya, nagtitrade ako. Very flexible. I can trade in my house. You can even trade others are trading in their offices. Okay? Low startup cost. Meaning to say, hindi siya ganun kumana ko tong cellphone ko, masyadong maingay. Sorry. Mute. Okay. Low start cost. You can trade at the very minimum of $20. You can start. But your $20, if you have this, you have knowledge in trading, you have knowledge in Forex, it can give you a lot of money, I tell you guys. The potential is wide. Okay? And no experience needed. You don't have to be expert in Forex. You don't have to have a course in Forex. I mean, you don't have to, kailangan mo na magaling ka lahat. Even no experience can start. We will discuss to you later. Yung isa nga namin dito, walang experience sa Forex. Ako wala akong experience sa Forex. I don't even have a knowledge of Forex, by the way. But now, I even teach about Forex. Why is it so? Bakit ganun? Ako basically, when I start, I do not have knowledge in Forex. But now, I'm sharing my knowledge about Forex. Last night, I shared one of my winning strategies in Forex. Sa sinabi pa ni Coach Nurse, yung taga-Japan, si Ma'am Janet, mayroon pa isa kanina na nag-message sa amin na maganda yung tinuro ko, profitable na sila. So ganun, you don't have to be experienced in Forex. Ito po, yung mga example ng mga pictures na nag-involve in foreign exchange. Makikita nyo to, especially po yung mga kababayan natin sa KSA, sa Dubai, sa Qatar, sa Hong Kong, sa Singapore, and America. All of you guys, our unsung heroes, salute po ako sa inyo. You are part of our building our economy in the Philippines. Ito po, yung foreign exchange. This is part of the pictures, okay? Learning. And the major currency pairing in Forex is that Euro USD, Euro dollar versus dollar exchange yan, GBP USD, British pound versus US dollar, USD CHF, Swiss franc, USD GPY, US dollar versus Japanese. Haven't you noticed, guys, USD halos lahat? Because just like English is the what they call this one is the universal language. Everybody can understand, or kumbaga, it's a universal language. Just dollar is also most likely it's a universal money. Okay, that's why halos lahat is US dollars. Okay, basic terminologies in Forex. As again, yung sinabi ko kanina, it's just a buy and sell. Other term for buy is long position. Hindi po si Long Mejia, yung kasama ni Eddie Garcia, long. Sell. Hindi po si Maricel, hindi po si Marisol, hindi po si Marites. Sell lang po, sell. Itong ibig sabihin niya, short position, pababa. Pag sinabi nating buy position, paakyat tayo. Buying ta, paakyat. Okay? Pag sinabi nating sell position or short position, pababa tayo. Okay. Learning? Learning? Please type 1 if you are learning. Para malaman ko naman na learning? Okay. Si Ella, si Neil. Wow, salamat po. Okay. Other terminologies in forex is the take profit and the stop loss. Take profit is that yung ano ka na? The TP is once you reaches a profit, TP ka na, meaning to say ginansya ka na, ganansyado ka na. Stop loss is that in order para hindi masusunog, kumbaga protektado yung pera mo, lagyan mo ng stop loss. We will explain later, but at least from now, from this initial point of view, this initial you try to grasp kunin yung tong mga terminologies natin. Take profit at saka stop loss. Take profit yung ginansyado ka na, stop loss yung dapat ilagay natin para protektado yung money mo. In order that nakalagay dito sa stop loss, in order that you place in order to sell a security when it reaches a particular price, a stop loss order is used to reduce a trader's loss. So, para protektahan yung pera mo. Okay? Okay, ganito. Okay. Now, this is the entry. Halimbawa, tinuruan tayo, Mr. Alayan. Ang ganda naman ng pangalan ni boss. Ang ganda ng hinapay mo, boss. Okay. Arayan, sir, halimbawa dito ang entry natin. Dito natin ilagay yung stop loss. This is to protect your money if in case bababa ang market. Pag bababa si market, stop loss ka agad. At least, kasi sa trading, one of our objectives sa trading, kaya tayo nagtitrade is protect your capital. Protect your capital. This is your capital here. Entry ka. Ilagay natin ang stop loss dito. Kung aakyat kasi long position tayo, aakyat tayo, this is your target 1, which is your TP1, target profit, and this is target profit 2. Pag aakyat si market, pag aakyat si candle, ibig sabihin, ginansya ka na dito. Pag aakyat pa siya ng paakyat, ganansyado ka na dito, profit ka na dito in target 2. That's how TP and stop loss work. Now, eto, if you notice, guys, mas malaki ang TP, mas maliit ang stop loss. Why? Because this will be discussed to you later on, the risk and management ratio. The risk and management ratio, initially I will discuss it to you before I'll proceed, is that 1:2. Notice here, 2, bali, ginawa tong dalawa. Kasi pag panalo ka, dalawa yung panalo mo. Tama? Pero pag talo ka, isa lang yung talo mo. Protected yung capital mo. Okay? Learning. Okay, are we learning? Are we learning? Please type 1 if you're learning. Bebsi Gutierrez, salamat po. Okay, learning. Okay, Sir Eddie Garcia. Okay, here we go. Stop loss. Pag selling position na naman tayo, pag sell tayo position, yung stop loss natin nasa ibabaw. Nasa taas. Because if this is our entry, nag-sell tayo, halimbawa, aakyat bigla si market dito. Aakyat bigla yung, hindi masusunog yung pera mo. Papatayin ka agad niya, isa-stop na tagad ka agad ni trade, yung trade mo. Automatically, ma-stop yan pag mahit niya to. Pero pag bababa yung sell mo, kung nag-sell ka, bababa ng bababa, target ka. Meaning to say, kumikita ka. Okay? That's how you put. Later on, yung one of your coaches, yung mga coaches na nag-sponsor sa inyo, yung nagbigay ng link sa inyo, tandaan nyo yun guys, tandaan nyo. Huwag nyo baka ibigay nyo lahat sa akin. Ano yan. Yung nagbibigay ng link sa inyo ng ano, they will explain to you further this one. Okay. Now, technical analysis, part of our um, study tonight is that technical analysis is the use of charts and statistics analysis, the direction of financial market and identify entry and exit points of trades. So dapat kailangan natin to. Kailangan natin sa technical analysis para saan natin i-position, balik tayo dito, saan natin i-position si entry, si stop loss, si target, si ganito, saan natin, kailangan natin aralin si technical analysis. Traders who use it will look to find opportunities from changes in price, volume, momentum, and implied volatility. So part of the technical analysis type of is the sentimental, the technical, and the fundamental. Sentimental is sino yung parang sentimental? Si wifey ba or si husband ba? Si girlfriend ba or si boyfriend ba? So this one, ang sentimental dito, si buyer ba? Malakas ba si buyer or si seller? Pag malakas si buyer, ibig sabihin green ang malakas si green. Pag malakas si seller, ibig sabihin ang red. So this is the sentimental part of this is sentimental analysis. Technical analysis is the chart patterns, technical statistics indicators. Yung diniscuss ko kahapon, yung diniscuss ko kagabi, of which some of our traders profited, is that part of technical analysis yun, chart mastery. Tuturuan namin kayo kung paano magbasa ng signal, paano magbasa ng mga candlesticks, paano saan natin ilagay. Yan, that's part of technical. The fundamental is basically, ito yung mga used to analyze, yung mga news, mga interest rates. Halimbawa, when Trump won as the president of the United States of America, yan, tumaas si crypto, tumaas si dollar. Halimbawa, may gera sa Afghanistan, may gera sa Middle East, maapektuhan yung mga oil price, yan. That's part of the fundamental. Kailangan din natin aralin yan para malaman natin kung kailan ba tayo mag-entry ng sell, kailan ba tayo mag-entry ng buy. Or kailangan ba natin ipapalipas muna ng isang araw para hindi tayo maapektuhan sa volatility ng market. Okay. So, the fundamental analysis, part of the fundamental, yung sinasabi ko kanina, makikita nyo sa dashboard nito, if you enroll, makikita nyo sa dashboard nito, etong mga ganitong, i-click mo lang yan, may mga news dyan. Basically, once you start Forex, hindi na puro showbiz ang, titingnan natin yung mga 224 ni Andy Aigiman at saka ni dito, hindi na yung mga ganyan. Wala na yan kasi hindi tayo magkapera niyan. Ang titingnan natin ng mga news is yung mga ganito, mga fundamental. Yung mga bank holiday ba, wala bang pasok sa Amerika, or mga ganito, si Germany ba, mayroon bang recession si Germany. This is part of the fundamental analysis. Ito yung aralin natin. Ito yung pagtitingnan natin. Kasi ang pera natin is nandito. Okay. So part of the technical analysis, yon ituturo sa inyo to. Yung chart reading, chart mastery. Chart mastery, don't you worry guys. Our chart mastery here, nasa episode 4 na tayo, that's episode 11. Pwede kayong humabol. Ituturo namin, i-share namin sa inyo dito. Yung chart mastery, sa ibang grupo to, may bayad. Pero dito sa atin, walang bayad. Kasi we wanted you to be profitable here in our community. Masakit sa amin, guys. Masakit sa amin, mga kababayan, na kasama namin hindi profitable. So, dapat profitable lang. So, isi-share namin yung mga techniques namin. Okay. This is part of the technical analysis. Sa tingin mo ngayon, if you don't know about Forex, hindi mo pa maintindihan to. Ito mga ganito, bearish, descending channels, isi-share namin, ituturo namin to paano paano nyo malaman to, paano nyo ipasok tong resistance period, double top, etong bullish flag, etong lahat. Okay. So, ganito, candlesticks, may falling wedge, symmetrical. Guys, sa tingin ko, medyo mahirap. Mahirap talaga. Tama ba? Kasi, uh, sir, titingnan, kaya ko ba yan, sir? Hindi man ako technical, hindi ako techie. I tell you, we have 66 years old here. A retiree, 66. Very profitable. Income, $100 per day. I tell you. So, si Forex ba, basing from what you have just heard, what you heard initially, complicated ba? Complicated ba talaga? Please type C kung complicated siya. Please type C. Walang nag-type. So, hindi siya complicated. Okay. Opo, medyo complicated. Complicated talaga. Pero, now, this is my challenge. Gusto nyo bang mas easier? Gusto nyo bang mas easier na hindi siya complicated? Mas easier na relationship. 'Di ba? Kung complicated na relationship, medyo iba yung mundo mo. Pero pag maganda yung relationship no, this is how we will do it. We will do it. Do you want an easier solution? Guys, do you want an easier solution? Please type 1 if you want easier solution. We will teach you how to do it. Please type 1 if you want easier solution. Hindi mo na i-analyze si chart, hindi mo na i-analyze si downtrend. Okay, very good. Easier solution. Now, this is the easier solution that we will share to you. The cheat codes, which is the second part of our discussion. Cheat codes. Paano nakuha natin si cheat codes? Guys, di ba pag magkopya ka, mga kapatid, sa school, pag alam mo yung kinokopyahan mo, alam mo papasa ka. Tama? Pag hindi mo alam kung sino yung kinokopyahan mo, malamang bagsak ka rin kung bagsak siya. So meaning to say, kung may cheat codes, this has been proven and tested. Paano namin nalaman to? Paano natin nalaman to na may cheat codes? If any one of you knows about RDR, this is a very well-known guy in the Philippines. Siya yung nag-i-interview ng mga profitable, yung mga businessman na mga young businessman na maganda yung takbo ng business nila. This is a very good friend of Coach Nars. This one si Coach Nars, yung nagsasalita kanina. Siya po ang may utang na 26 million. 26 million po ang utang niya. Dahil sa Forex, nabayaran niya yung 26 million in 2 years, I think, in 2 years. Because, tapos kasagsagan pa ng pandemic yun. Sino dito ang may utang na 26 million? Sinong may utang nito? Ako may utang ako. Gusto niyo malaman ang utang ko? Sinong may utang nito? Please type 1 kung may utang ka. Me, Marites. Lahat naman siguro tayo may utang, tama? May utang tayo lahat. Okay, ang daming utang. So, guys, this is a very good friend of Coach Nars, si Coach Edsel. Kinausap ni Coach Nars, siya, Coach, bro, paano mo nagawa yan? Paano mo nabayaran yung in-interview ka ni RDR? Paano mo na yan? Sa ganito, sabi niya, dahil sa cheat codes. He went to Cagayan de Oro. He went to Cagayan de Oro. This one, para ituturo sa atin. Ito po, we also went to Manila. We also went to Manila para aralin the advanced yung Forex. Ito po ako. Kasama ko si Coach Nars, kasama kong ito si Coach Carlo, at ito po yung anak ko, kasama si Coach Edsel. Alright? So, the cheat codes. Cheat code number 1. I am very excited. Cheat code number 1. Hindi na tayo mahirapan. Wag na yung, it's AI. AI, guys. What's AI? Now is everybody is crazy about AI. artificial intelligence. Tama? AI. Kahit mag ano ka, punta ka sa AI, gusto mo magawa ng writings, pwede si AI nang gagawa sa iyo. Cheat code number 1, AI. We have a pattern scanner and we have a robot which is automated. Okay. Si pattern scanner, ito po, this one, pag mag-enroll kayo sa economy, part of your package is that meron kayong pattern scanner. Si pattern scanner, this is what we call harmonic pattern scanner. Tuturuan ka niya kung saan ka mag-entry, anong klaseng entry ang ilagay mo, buy ba or sell. Tapos, tuturuan ka niya kung saan mo ilagay yung stop loss mo, saan mo ilagay yung TP1 mo at saka TP2. Pattern scanner na. Hindi ka na magdo-drawing, Ma'am Gemma Balatukan. Hindi ka na magdo-drawing. Siya na mismo ang mag-drawing. Okay? So ganito, pattern scanner. So AI, harmonic pattern scanner. Even if you Google it, punta ka sa Google, tingnan mo, nakalagay dito, harmonic patterns are very profitable patterns with a success rate of over 70%. Mga kapatid, 70%, 51% pa lang nga, panalo ka na. How much more? 70%. The problem is that these patterns are rare and difficult to be identified, especially by non-professionals. Okay. Systematic tests of over 3,000 harmonic patterns have shown that Gartley, bat, and crab patterns are correct over 85% of the time, both bullish and bearish pattern. So harmonic patterns are often highly accurate when they complete according to Fibonacci ratio in the rules. Guys, mga kapatid, just imagine 85% winning rate. Ibig sabihin nito, pag mayroon kang ganito, si robot ang magbibigay, si AI ang magbibigay sa inyo ng signal ng ganito, 85% ang iyong winning rate. Okay? Kahit 51%, guys, kahit 51% mga kapatid, mga kapuso, mga kababayan, panalo ka na. Kasi more than 50, panalo ka na. How much more? 70%. How much more? 85%. So, this is a classic example. Nakalagay dito. Anong example to? Okay. Ito, this is a bat. No? Lalagay to dito sa ano mo, sa computer mo, sa laptop mo, or sa cellphone mo, lalabas to. Tuturuan ka niya kung kailan ka mag-entry, saan ka mag-entry, anong klaseng entry ang ilalagay mo. Manual pa rin, pero at least hindi ka na mag-analyze ng mga candlesticks itong ganito. Hindi na siya complicated. That's number one. That's number one of the AI cheat codes. And these are examples of anong nangyari. Ito po, kumita lang naman siya ng 621 US dollars. 681 US dollars. Ang total profit niya is 1,302. If you will convert that in one day, that's about 1,300. That's about more or less 50,000 plus. Dito lang niya binase yung entry niya. Tuturuan kayo. Okay? All right. So, ito po, example of which, kumita siya ng 4,124.45 US dollars. In peso and Philippine peso, this is 238,000 pesos, 363. Ganyang kalaki. Okay? So, this is Coach Gio. If we will share, ito po ay isang kabaro. Seaman po to siya. Hindi sa kanya tong account yung kanina. Ito po yung ano niya. Yan, nagtitrade na siya. Yan. May pattern na. Okay. Trade na. Pag blue ka na, nasa blue, gaining na yan. Yan. So just imagine, kumita siya ng $4,445 in just one trade. So si Ma'am Christina siguro nito, hindi na mag-aayos ng bahay dyan sa Russia. Ma'am, kung ganito ang kita mo. Alright. Pangalawang automated AI is the wealth builder. Mayroon akong wealth builder. Mayroon, ipapakita ko lang sa iyo, sa inyo. Yung wealth builder ko, wealth builder. Ito, wealth builder. Alright, wealth builder. History. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Today. Last week. The total last, ito in 1 month. Hindi pa nag 1 month. Nag-start ako ng wealth builder January pa. Ito, if you can see it, I don't know if you can see it, mayroon na akong 1,025. Wala akong ginawa. Si robot na ang nagtitrade. Itong wealth builder, ano tong wealth builder na to? Nagko-compound siya ng pera mo. Halimbawa, yung nilagay natin is $500. Yung $500 mo pagdating ng isang buwan, kasi ano siya, very conservative to na trading. Hindi siya yung kalakihan na yung ratsada-ratsada na trading. Very, very, very conservative because this is for long term. Wealth builder. Ako, ang nilagay ko dito is 55,000. Ito po yung savings ng anak ko. Yung savings ng anak ko na special child. 55,000. Sinave ko, nilagay ko sa yung isang co-op dito kasi yung co-op pero tinanggal ko, nilagay ko sa wealth builder. Kasi po compounding siya to. Compounding siya. Automated wealth growth, continuous profit with compounding. Kino-compound niya. Halimbawa, yung $500 mo, kumikita ng $20 in 1 month. Or very conservative, $10 lang, wala kang ginawa in 1 month. Next month, yung puhunan mo is 510 na. Ganon yung si compounding. Tsaka stress-free. Wala ka nang iisipin. Kahit naglilinis ka, babayaan mo lang because si robot na. Starting capital, yung sinabi natin, it's only 300. Guys, 300, magkano ba yung 300? More or less mga 18. 300, tama ba? 18? Okay. Over a year of proven success. I came from Smart Communications. I came from Dito Telecommunity. I tell you, once we have a product to launch, dapat yan, testing namin yan, 6 months. Pero dito, 6 months, pag maganda yan within 6 months, ibig sabihin yan, proven and tested na yan. Itong wealth builder is that it has been proven and tested for a year, over a year. So maganda talaga. Okay. Ito po ang analysis niya, monthly analysis. Now, the monthly analysis, mga kapatid, mga kapuso, isa pa, di ba nag-discuss ako kanina na pag may magsasabi sa'yo na yung interest namin, yung pag mag-AI ka sa amin, 5% to 10% per month ang kikitain. Guys, I tell you, magbalot-balot ka na. Because AI is designed for long term. Is designed, maliit lang yung maliit lang yung risk niya. So dapat yung kikitain niya is just 5% below. 3 to 6%. The most is 6. 5% below. So if you can see here, yung AI monthly wealth builder natin, for the month of January 2024, 2.92 lang yung earnings niya. February 2024, it's 3.59 and so on and so forth. Pagdating ng December, it's only 0.65. Bakit kamo baka nagparty-party to si robot? Hindi. Kasi pag December kasi, yung iniisip ng mga tao iba. Mag-party. So more or less hindi siya ganun frequently trading. So ganun si AI. Now, ito po yung gain niya is 38.35%, no? So, yung drawdown niya, ibig sabihin ng drawdown nito, for example, your $100, pag matatalo si $100, italo niya is only 6.02%. Ibig sabihin, $6 lang yung matatalo or mawawala sa $100 mo. So madali lang siyang bawiin, no? In long run, ito, ibig sabihin, yung trade niya in a buy signal or long trade or buy trade, nag-trade siya ng 2,694. Yung panalo niya, nag-trade siya ng 3,751, yung panalo niya is 2,694. Ibig sabihin niyan, ang win rate niya is 71. Sa short one, ibig sabihin, sa sell position, nag-position siya po ng 3,711. Kumikita siya out of the 3,711. Yung panalo niya is 2,588, meaning to say 68% yung winning rate niya sa AI. So ganyan po si AI. So dalawa yung AI natin. Si Manaria Pattern at saka si Wealth Builder. May bago pa. Yung short term na pwede mong withdrawin yung kita mo every month or every week or every day kung kaya mo. Ibabalita namin sa inyo yan if you enroll at Economy. So, cheat codes number 2. Are you excited about it? Ako excited. Maglalagay din ako niyan next month. Okay. Cheat codes number 2. We do have expert trader signal. Si coach, yung ibang traders, like for example, FXRE, magbibigay siya ng signal. Ganito ka mag-buy, ganito ka mag-sell. When you enroll at Economy, i-link namin yung account mo sa WhatsApp, i-link ka namin dun sa Telegram. Dapat ka may Telegram para magbabato ay yung mga expert doon. Magbabato sila, magbibigay sila ng signal. Doon mo rin din kukopyahin kung ano ang ibabay mo, kung ano ang isesell mo, kung saan ka. That's number 2. So hindi ka na mahirapan na mag-analyze. Hindi ka na mahirapan na mag-analyze ng market, hindi ka na mahirapan na mag-analyze ng magbasa ng news. Okay. Ito, si FX Robot Empire nagbibigay ng signal sa atin. So out of 143 trades, yung napanalo niya is 112. Ibig sabihin, 78% yung winning rate niya. Isa po to siya ang nagbibigay ng signal sa atin. Yung loss niya is sa 143 trades, 31 of which natatalo, which is 22%. Panalo ka pa rin. 78%, panalo ka pa rin. Diba? Ibigay mo na lang yung sa iba yung talo. Okay? So ito po, number 2 cheat codes number 1 cheat code is the AI. Dalawa si AI. Si Manara, which is yung pattern. Tuturuan ka saan mag-entry, saan mag-stop loss, saan mag-TP, maglagay mo yung TP mo, TP1 and TP2 or TP3. That's number 1. Number 2 is a wealth builder. Guys, I tell you, mayroon pang isa. 3 yan. Wealth gainer. Pag-usapan natin yan pag na-enroll ka na. Okay? Alright. Si wealth gainer, guys, in just 1 week, yung kasama namin naglagay ng $300. I think $300. Kumita siya ng 1,200. Ganon kagaling. Alright. Okay. Ibubulong ko lang to kasi para sa enroll lang to. Okay? Alright. Okay. That's number 3 yan. Dalawa yan. No? AI, Manara. Number 2 is yung wealth builder. Yung pangatlo, secret mo na. Okay. Pangalawang cheat codes is tawag nito yung signals from our expert traders. Ito po, one of our expert traders is si FX Robot Empire. Yung kay Coach Edsel yung na-interview sa RDR. Okay. Ito po ang example. Yung sinasabi ko kanina. Si Coach Eman. Coach Eman is 67 years old right now because he just celebrated his 67th year in this world last December. No, ito po, sama kami. Ito po yung earning niya. Si Coach Eman, pag baka sabihin mo, Coach, matanda. Sir Noy, matanda na ako, hindi ko na kaya yan. Bakit po nakaya ng 66 years old? Sino po ang more than 66 years old dito? Pakitype. Sino po ang 66 years old? Walang 66 years old? Kaya ni Sir Eman. Kaya ni Sir Eman. Si Sir Eman yung sinasabi namin na everyday nagigain ng ito, 97, 265, more or less, gigain siya ng more or less average 100 per day, more or less. Si Coach Eman. Kasama namin siya sa Manila. So ito po si Coach Nars at si Coach Eman nagsama. Okay. Testimony, mga testimony. Ito po, it is confirmed that all signals given by the provider were sobra na to, 120%, 120% reliable. Right timing lang talaga ang kailangan. Dito po sa isa, first time in my entire forex trading na consistent ko earnings. Gaan kaayo karon, medyo Bisaya kasi ito siya, magaan sa kanya na mag-analyze at mag-confirm ng chart direction na wala nang problema. This is mga mga testimony. Ito po si FXRE nagbibigay ng signal 121 pips, profit 133 magbibigay po siya ng signal. That's na number 2 cheat codes. Again, iulit ko. Number 1, AI robot, AI ang cheat codes natin. Number 2 is the signal from the expert trader. Number 3, cheat codes. Mga kapatid, mga kapuso, at mga kapamilya, once makapasok ka na sa economy is not an investing firm. Economy is an academy of teaching you how to have a good life or how to have a very good economy in your family. Magandang ekonomiya para sa pamilya. Okay? Dito po sa economy, it's more on the economy. Tuturuan kayo paano mag-forex. That's part. Ito po sa ECA, dito ma-access mo, pag enrolled ka na sa economy, ma-access mo yung basic forex, advanced forex, at saka si masterclass. Pwede mong ulit-ulitin panuorin. One to sawa ka kung kailan mo. Kahit nasa CR ka, pwede mo. Wag lang yung titingnan mo or panuorin mo habang naliligo ka kasi sure kung mababasa yung computer mo. Okay? So that's number 3, economy. Okay. Here in economy, we have from the basic to advanced. Pag ma-access mo na ito, panoorin mo yan. Ito, every day. We do advise that every day, at least watch 2 to 3 videos every day. Kahit ulit-ulitin mo, you will have continuous repetition of good education will give you a good success, will give you a good result. So basic to advanced. That's the number 3 cheat codes, the academy. The academy, the ECA, Economic Calculated Academy. Ito po, but don't you worry guys. Ito English to, mayroon tayong Tagalog na ibibigay namin mamaya. Okay. So from crypto stocks and lahat yan, malaman mo yan dito po sa ECA. Okay. Sa masterclass din, part of the economy, yung part of the cheat codes is may mga masterclass. Yung mga master trader talaga, ibig sabihin yung mga galing na master trader. Like for example, si Abdallah Harfouch. Ito yung very favorite natin. Every 10:30 in the evening. Very favorite namin. Magsabay ka lang sa kanya. Tuturuan ka na paano mag-trade. Sabayan mo live trading, which will go to our fourth cheat codes. The access to live trading. Ito po si Abdallah. Ito po mga masterclass. Magtuturo sila dito. Pwede niyo siyang sabayan. That's the number 3. Ang 4th na cheat codes natin is live trading. Sabi namin, every 10:30 ng gabi, ma-access mo to si Abdallah. Depende sa inyo kung sinong gusto niyong i-access na master trader. We do recommend si Abdallah kasi ang winning rate ni Abdallah is more than 90%. For this year, siguro isa lang yung talo niya. I think isa lang. For the other year, for last year, siguro dalawa lang. Just imagine every day, panalo, panalo siya. Okay? So ito, example of which, i-play ko? Yeah, yan. Ayan. Yan. Okay. Okay. The second video I will also play. Yan, si Abdallah. Yan. Yeah. Just imagine that one. Guys, you will learn this one. You will learn this one once you are enrolled at economy. So number one, cheat codes na hindi na tayo mahirapan kasi may cheat codes na tayo. Number one is the AI. Si AI may dalawa yan. Sabi ko sa inyo, may dalawa yan. Number one, si Manara, which is tuturuan ka kung saan ka mag-entry. Number one. Number two is si Will Builder. Yung number three na robot, i-discuss namin mamaya. Or i-discuss ng sponsor nyo. Number two cheat codes is that expert trader signal. Yung mga trader magbigay ng signal na itong araw na to, buy ka, ito ganito, ganito. Number three is the ECA, yung Economy Calculated Academy. So doon, panuorin mo lahat ng videos doon, ituturo sa iyo paano ka from basic to forex to masterclass. Just imagine, basic forex ituturo sa iyo, advanced forex ituturo sa iyo, and then masterclass forex ituturo sa iyo. Okay. And then the number four cheat codes is the live access to live trading. Now, this one is part of mga earnings ni Abdallah. Ang isang araw, kumita ng 1,570, 985 in just one day. Kung i-convert mo yan, so medyo malaki yan. Guys, lahat po ito ay nasa economy. Economy ang ano natin. Economy po yung ma-access natin lahat ng cheat codes. Now, again, babalik ako kung anong laman sa economy. This AI tools, the AI intelligence, the automated intelligence, the ano. Tapos number two is the expert trader signal. Number three is the ECA, and then number four, the ACA. Now, the next part, which is I'm very excited. Sabihin natin, sir, coach, magkano naman to? Magkano naman to? Guys, if you go to a normal forex school, if you go to normal, ito po yung ano, ito po yung ano nila, ito po yung tawag nito. Ito po yung payment talaga. Even if you Google it, magkano? Basic course, 70 to 150K. That will give you around 1 week to 2 weeks alone lang. That's the basic forex. Advanced forex that will give you to 6 months, mga 400,000 ang ano. But sa atin, hindi natin yan. Ano natin yan? Hindi natin kaya yan. X natin yan. Dito, yung iba naman, yung iba, I'm sure mayroon kayong nahagilap ng ibang mga grupo or ibang mga community. Ganito yung ano nila, ganito yung presyuhan nila. May mga packages din sila. So, ang pinakamura sa kanila is 1,499. That's 15 US dollars. And that's how much is that? That's more or less mga 50 US dollars. Mga 50,000 pesos. Yung isang package is 1,800. So more or less ganun pa rin. So mahal pa rin. Pero sa economy guys, access mo yung lahat, yung apat na cheat codes, wala ka ng problema, is only 649. Sino ang mas mababa? Sa atin or sa kanila? please type atin or sa kanila. Atin or sa kanila. Walang magta-type? Atin. Si Opo. Yes po. Yes, atin. Mas baba, Ma'am Gemma, mas bababa talaga. Access mo to lahat. AI tools, expert trader signals, ECA, and the access to live. But wait, there's more. Iyan ako, i-share ko. Ito sikreto. If you if you message the one who gave you the link right then, right now, kung sino man yung nagbigay ng link sa'yo, di ba may answer kayo? Mayroon kayong communication? Kung sinong nagbigay sa'yo ng link, ito yung type, I joined the webinar. Message the person who gave you the link, ilagay mo doon, I joined the webinar. Right here, right now, you send a message to the person who gave you the link. I joined the webinar because we will give you the best offer that no other group can give you. Okay. I joined the webinar. Dan, si Ma'am Gemma Balatukan. Wow! Dan, sino pang Dan? Dan, sino pang Dan? I joined the webinar. Please type. Because i-reveal ko sa'yo. Dan, si Ma'am Aisa, Dan. Wow, sino pa? Sino pa? Sino pa, please? I joined the webinar. I joined the webinar. Ma'am Bebsi. Now, if you message the person who gave you the link, mga kababayan, mga kapatid, kapamilya, kapuso, mga ka-A to Z, ito po ang instead from 649, ito po ang ibibigay natin sa inyo. Instead of 645, you will have all the cheat codes. The AI, automated intelligence, robot, the training, the mirror trading, this number 1, expert trader signal, the VIP signals, the ECA, and the access to live trading, it's only 149. That's about, if you will convert it, that's about only 8,000 pesos. Sino ba? If you want to start a business at 8,000 pesos, wow, we're 57 now. Before I started 29, we're 57. It's only 149 with a subscription of $99 per month. Pero wag mo nang isipin yan kasi dito guys, kung aralin mo lang, matuto ka lang, no? Tutukan mo lang ito. Yung 99, pansit na yan. Madali lang yan. Mayroon kang kumita dito, 200, 300 in just 3 trades, 4 trades, basta aralin mo lang. Access to lang AI tools, VIP signals, ECA, at saka live trading. That's only 149. Just type, I joined the webinar. Kanina, may nakita ako na may nag-type, I joined the webinar. Dan, si Ma'am Ran, si Nestor Arroyo, si Opo, sino pa? We're 57 here. I want you to all type, I joined the webinar. Because if you type right here, right now, mayroon pa kaming ibibigay na bonus sa inyo. Mayroon pa kaming just more than 149. A bonus that is more than $149. Okay, si Clifford nag-type. Si Nestor nag-type. Alright, here we go. If you type, I joined the webinar, doon sa Ma'am Charlotte, doon sa nagbigay ng link sa iyo, I joined the webinar. Si Ma'am, join. Ria, ang dami na lang, I joined the webinar. Now, kasi, it's only 149. And the bonus here, bakit ko kayo pinatype ng I joined the webinar? Because, guys, ganito, you will be added sa GC. You will be added sa community. You will be added sa grupo ng mga traders. If you are added dun sa grupo ng mga traders, you will learn a lot. I tell you, you will learn a lot. They will be sharing experiences. They will be sharing strategies without even you naka-register ng 149. That's the bonus. That is the bonus. We will include you sa GC. Just type, I joined the webinar, dun sa nagbigay ng link sa iyo. I tell you, ikaw mismo, I joined the webinar. You will learn a lot. Even if, kasi, I tell you, even if hindi ka pa mag-register ng 149, but yung tinext mo ngayon na I joined the webinar, yung tinext mo na join, tuturuan ka niya paano mag-open ng account. Demo lang nga. Demo account sa mga trading platform. Tuturuan ka niya paano magsimula. Tuturuan ka mag-open ang account sa mga brokers. Tuturuan ka niya paano i-link yung account mo doon sa MetaTrader platform, sa MT5, tuturuan ka niya just for free. Lagay mo lang, I joined the webinar. Ganun lang kasimple. And then you will learn a lot. And once you're ready, guys, once you're ready, kapatid, kapamilya, kapuso, mga ka-A to Z, if you're ready, then you go live. Pwede ka mag-enroll. Okay? Just type, I joined the webinar. Okay. Yan po ang bonus namin. Kasi tayo mga Pilipino, sinasabi, sir, wala bang mas mura dyan? Yan nga, bonus na nga. Yan, bonus. Type, I joined the webinar. Right here, right now, para masama ka namin sa bonus. Everything here, yan ito, the Elite Pack, yan, Manara, lahat, you will experience that in 149. Now, what will happen to you if you subscribe? Kung ano mangyari sa iyo if you subscribe? If you subscribe 149, no? You will have access to this. You will learn how to earn dollars and dollars every day. You will learn. Kasi may cheat codes na nga. These are screenshots of our successful traders. Basta guys, when you join economy, when you join Forex, I tell you, empty your cups. Just like this. Nag-ready na ako. Ito, para hindi ako ako sa, if I don't empty this one, pag lalagyan ko ng tubig to, if I empty, lalagyan to, matatapon ng tubig. Pero empty your cups. Once you empty your cups, you will learn a lot. Guys, I tell you, you will learn a lot. Okay. Now, these are people earning 142,000 pesos, 574. I joined the webinar. Thank you. Just balik tayo. I joined the webinar. Ma-amaze ka talaga, kapatid, kababayan, kapuso, ka A to Z, kapamilya. So these are the living proof na kumita sila. Success leaves clues. Kung nakaya nila, kaya mo rin. Okay? And this, join me warmly. Ito po. Kasi sa GC, i-acknowledge po kayo lahat doon. Okay. Joseph, back to work na po. I joined the webinar. Ganun lang po. Simple. Ito po, kumita ng 1,200. Okay. US dollars. Si Jerome, nag-testimony. First time kong mabawi, long time trader na rin puro loss. Pero dito sa grupo na to, sulit ang 149. I tell you, mga kapatid, when you join the GC, you will learn a lot. People are sharing their success because it's very easy. Talagang madali lang, may cheat codes ka. Kukopyahin mo lang, may robot pa. Ano ka? Ano ba? Mga hanapin natin. Diba? Okay, this one earning 122, 137 US dollars. Okay. This one earning 37,000 pesos pag na-convert na. All right. Okay, I joined the webinar. Marami. Okay. Guys, ito po yung community namin. Ito po yung community. Ito po yung magiging community natin. Magiging community mo. Ito po. And what's good with this community? Paano ako nagiging mas profitable? Paano kami nagiging mas profitable? Kasi nagkita-kita kami. We had a coffee and then we share your winning. Tapos yung ma-share namin yung winning strategies namin, isi-share namin sa inyo para at least tayo happy. When the community is happy, we are happy. Okay? Just like the sayings, happy wife, happy life. Happy husband, suspicious wife. Hindi, joke lang. Just like that. Diba? Pag happy yung community, happy ka, happy din kami. So we are sharing our success. We are sharing it to you. Okay? So this is a community. This is one of your bonus. This is one of your bonus if you join the community. Again, you have a community here that will help you. This is not what you call, yung iba kasi naggumagawa na sila, gawa-gawa lang pero hindi actual. Okay. So ito po, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo ang endorser natin.
So guys, wala lang siyang audio, pero that's alam niyo naman kung sino siya. Kung hindi niya ini-endorse kung nakakasira sa pangalan niya.
Yeah, correct. And of course, he's also running for senator, no? Hindi kami nangumpanya para sa kanya, but he is a very reputable, very prominent guy. So hindi niya i-endorse kung hindi to tested and proven. Now, this is Manny Pacquiao. Meron talagang iba. Yung iba mayroon talaga kung sa Bisaya pa gahi og ulo, matigas ang ulo. Gusto talaga mag-trade. Bakit pa ako mag-register? Bakit pa akong ganyan? Mayroon akong ma-YouTube na ganyan. Mayroon ganyan mga tao. Yung hindi sila open ba? Mayroon ganyan. Kung bakit pa ako mag-AA pattern, kaya ko man i-YouTube yan. May magsasabi sa inyo. May magsasabi sa inyo. Tested and proven yan. 6 years na rin. Ito yung sasabihin niya. Oh, wag mo subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo. Wag mo subukan. So guys, even if you Google it, 95% of new traders fail kung hindi nyo aralin. 95%. But masakit sa amin yan. Kung mag-trade kayo, ma-fail kayo. That's why we do have this community, we do have these cheat codes para hindi tayo mabilong sa 95. Doon tayo mabilong sa 5%. So, even if you Google it now, 95%. Now, this one is part of our team, si JL, no? Kumita lang naman siya na i-play ko lang saglit. Yes, 27 years old, very beautiful, very malaki ang earnings, very beautiful. Dati may photography siya, then so swerte din ang lalaki na makahagilap nito. So she's one of our coaches here, very testimonial. So before I leave, guys, iano ko lang to before I'll end my presentation. Ito lang yung sayings na gusto kong iiwan sa inyo to. How much you get tomorrow is determined by how much you invest today. Everything happens for a reason. So ganun lang po yon. So before ako mag-leave, we must create the perfect moment to take action rather than waiting for a perfect time to arrive. Now is the time to act. So maraming salamat po sa lahat. That ends my presentation. That ends my webinar tonight. Before I end my webinar tonight, maraming salamat talaga sa lahat. And for those who appreciated this webinar, please lagay nyo lang na heart na emoji or the small heart for me to tawag nito. Just para at least ma-happy din ako na mayroon akong naituturo. Maraming salamat for the heart. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the heart. Thank you.
Wow.
Maraming salamat. Coach,
Wow,
thank you very
guys,
much.
grabe.
Thank you.
Palapakan naman natin, guys. Coach Noel, Coach Nonoy. Grabe, ang ganda ng pagka-present niya, guys. Before I close this one, may mga questions lang na sasagutin ko. However, if you have some questions, guys, feel free before I close this one. Kung may mga tanong kayo, sasagutin ko lahat before I close. Gusto ko lang i-address tong question ni DIL. Sir, paano mag-join kung bank transfer? Pwede ba mag-send ng GCash o bigay ng link? Kapag ka mag-message kayo doon sa I joined the webinar, okay, yung I joined the webinar, how do you call this one? Yung instruction that I joined the webinar. So, i-introduce po namin din yung personal Facebook po namin para makikita nyo kung sino yung kaano nyo, kachat ninyo, and then magbibigay kami ng further instruction po kung paano po siya actually mag-join, okay? At i-guide pa namin kayo kung paano kayo mag-join, alright? So, wala na bang questions? Kung wala na questions, thank you so much guys for joining. God bless po sa inyo. After joining Pivo, magkano yung monthly? Yung monthly po is 900, only 99 USD. Okay. Ang goal natin, kikita ka for 1 month para may pang monthly na po kayo for the next month. Or let's say sabihin namin you're too busy. Okay lang, walang problema kasi optional naman yung if you want to continue the service or not. But if you want to continue if you want to avail our AI trade, you can avail AI trade. So, yung like I said, yung next monthly subscription optional lang. Pero most of sa mga kumita, like I said, I want to be honest with you guys that trading is just like any business. Hindi lahat pumasok sa business, yumaman. Just like yung pag-abroad, hindi lahat pumasok ng nag-abroad yumaman, okay? Pero if you are really serious about what you're doing, kung siniseryoso mo talaga ito, marami nang nagka-resulta. So marami nagka-resulta talaga. So again, yung subscription, after 6 months, then continue po subscription. Like I said, if you willing to continue, it's optional, you can continue. If not, it's still okay. All right? So no pressures po on your side. Nonetheless, guys, make sure that you message the person or you message the Facebook page na nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight. Mag-reply lang kayo doon sa messenger. I joined the webinar. We'll give you further instructions to get into our GC even if you're not yet ready to start or you're not yet ready to enroll or you just want to explore, you just want to learn further, you just want to know more, okay? You just want to know more. Feel free to join our GC. Just reply, I joined the webinar. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Thank you so much, Coach Nunoy. What a very powerful presentations po. Hindi po ako, sa Bisaya pa, di kita katulgon ba? And a lot of that of value that he shared tonight. God bless everyone. To God be the glory.
Thank you, God. God bless.